In this tutorial, we'll show you how to manage your browser tabs more efficiently using extensions, helping you stay organized and boost productivity. Find and install tab management extensions. Open your browser's extension store, Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons, and search for tab management extensions like OneTab, Tab Manager Plus, or the Great Suspender. Organize tabs into groups. Some extensions allow you to group tabs based on categories or tasks. Use the extensions grouping feature to separate tabs for work, research, or leisure browsing. Suspend and use tabs. Extensions like the Great Suspender help save memory by automatically suspending tabs that aren't in use. This frees up system resources and keeps your browser running smoothly. Quickly search and switch tabs. With extensions like Tab Manager Plus, you can quickly search for open tabs by name and switch to them without scrolling through a long list of tabs. Save tabs for later. Extensions like OneTab allow you to collapse all your open tabs into a single list, which you can restore later. This is useful for saving sessions or reducing tab clutter. Customized tab settings. Many extensions allow you to customize how tabs behave, including opening new tabs in specific orders, pinning important tabs, or setting keyboard shortcuts for quick tab management. Using these browser extensions, you'll be able to manage your tabs with ease and improve your browsing experience. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.